Here I have ALCATEL Pixi 4 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be calendar, and let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, about 2. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture another screen. So that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshot, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using an upper bar, and here by choosing screenshot captured. You may also accomplish that by using a home screen. Then let's find and select the gallery. It's right here. Let's choose the albums, and here we've got the screenshot album. You can choose your screenshot and share, edit or delete taken screenshots. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.